Let's now look at the last loop, namely for loop. The for loop is similar to while, it's just written differently. Basic syntax of the loop is this. In this, expression 1 initializes the counter variable. Expression 2 is a conditional expression. As long as this condition is true, loop will iterate, and expression 3 is a modifier, which may be the simple increment of a variable. A for loop is a pretest loop. It is called as a definite loop as the programmer knows exactly how many times it will be repeated. A simple example is I is initialized to 0. The test expression is tested if I is less than or equal to 5. If true, then the printf statement is executed, else the next instruction after the loop is executed. The counter variable I is incremented. Control jumps to the loop test condition. It should be noted that all the three parts of the previous loops are included in one statement here. Let's take the conveyor example to understand for loop. For example, again here, it is pre-decided that the number of products to be processed is 10. The sensor keeps a track on the counter's value whether it has reached 10 or not. When the first product is placed on the conveyor, the counter is set to 1. The sensor tests the condition by checking if counter value is less than 10. As counter value is 1, the product is allowed to move on the conveyor for packaging. Then the counter is incremented to allow the next product. Again, the test condition is evaluated to check if the counter is not equal to 10. If it's true, then the product is allowed to be processed. This process continues till the counter reaches 10. The sensor won't allow the 11th product to move on the conveyor as the condition has become false. Let's write a program illustrating the use of the for loop. This program finds the average of 5 numbers. Let's declare the main function. The variables n, which stores the numbers. Sum is used to maintain the summation, and count is used as the counter variable. Ask the user to enter the numbers and store each value in the variable n. We need to use for loop here. In the for statement, the counter count is initialized to 0. The test condition is placed here along with which counter is incremented. Inside the loop, scan 5 consecutive values and the number to the value stored in sum. Find the average and finally print the average.